Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine from Naija Style. Today I'm showing you how to turn your boring crop top into this beautiful crop top you see me wearing right there. Just with the use of a little African print to make a bow tie you have on the pocket on the side, and some blings to put on the neckline. This is perfect for a lot of outing. This is perfect for a little picnic, a little hangout. So let's go straight to it. This is the crop top. This is how it works, and I'm gonna use some blings, some studs, some iron-on stones that on the neckline, and I'm gonna create a bow tie with this little piece of African print. I'm wearing a green skirt, that's why I went for that green print. So the other piece of the fabric I'm gonna fold on the iron and create the little stripe in the middle of the bow tie. So I'm gonna use the bling right there, a couple of stones right there, and I'm gonna go right at it. This is the outcome of my perfect design. This is the outcome of me turning up my crop top. I hope you enjoyed the little inspiration. You don't have to make it wow. You don't have to change the pocket with print. You could just do a little thing, a little switch in less than 20 minutes. I did and create this little look. You see my bow tie? That looks so perfect. The piece I said you saw in the middle, and you have some stones at the edge of every pocket on the neckline going to the back, and I applied my logo Naija. Hope you enjoy and learn from this video, and I catch you on the next one. Just inspire.